Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Illustrator, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for Adobe Illustrator. Visit the official Adobe website in your preferred web browser. Locate the Creative Cloud section on the website. Click on the download button to begin the installation process. If prompted, sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new account. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Creative Cloud app download page. Download the Creative Cloud installer file. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation of the Creative Cloud app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the Creative Cloud app. In the app interface, navigate to the Apps tab. Scroll through the list until you find Adobe Illustrator. Click the Install button next to Adobe Illustrator. The app will begin downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Click Open to launch Adobe Illustrator for the first time. Follow any initial setup instructions, such as choosing preferences or updates. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to start using Adobe Illustrator. Explore the features and tools available for your creative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.